blood trail. I know there's a couple deer down. I think these guys got some shots. We'll see. We got to figure out which deer is what, but we got some
There's
deer.
Danny. We got Vito.
Yo.
Stever.
The fucking nader.
And me.
The great white hunters.
So
follow the trail.
David shot it from way down there. It was 138 yards. A doe.
What's that? Jamie the spine. I think, I didn't aim too high actually. I think I may have aimed a little bit high, but I wasn't exactly for the spine, so, but she kicked straight up in the air, man, like, perfect. It was cool, but I didn't think we were gonna find blood. Mike found the blood trail. So
we got cool. Some blood over here.
Thank you, Mike.
No problem.
Mike sends me a text that the deer are coming, and then he finds the blood too after I shot him, so it's a real assist.
So we're gonna see what happens here. We're gonna do a little tracking and
figure out here. We should have 3 deer down.
You want to smell it, make sure it's good blood?
Definitely. It smells good.
Okay.
There's no stomach smell.
Alright, cool. We're gonna go see.
Tomato sauce. Someone's trying to prank.
Alright. We'll see you soon.
Stand by. Here's the blood trail right here.
Okay.
I don't know where the next drip's at. Wait, actually right under your foot. No, that was your boot. Here.
Yeah, right here. One here. It's going that way.
Here's the last blood. It's right here. There's a little speckle right here. Here. You see his blood?
Yeah, he's found it right now.
This is Danny's blood. What? Wait. No, I'm following my blood trail right now. Oh, this is your blood.
This is right where Vito's deer came up, I bet.
Right here.
Nice one. Yep. Another one.
There's the blood. Which way did it turn?
Which way did your deer came from?
There's the blood. There's the blood right there. My deer came on the path. But there's blood.
This might be the intersection of the blood, though, too. Which way did your deer go? Okay.
This way. No, I'm off.
Which way did you guys follow the blood? I know, but where'd you guys come out of the field? Right here? All right, we'll be back.
Here's some right there.
There's some over here. This is the same trail that we're on. It's just it intersects. The same deer. Let's count them up.
Danny missed. 5 shots, then we both hit a deer.
Right.
That's it, right?
Let's count the Swiss cheese holes.
We got 1 in the chest, 2, 3, 4. 1 here, 2, 3, and there was 1 in the neck. Is there? Yeah. No. There's 1 here, 2, 3. There's 3 shots in her.
There's 2 in the heart. There's 1 here and 1 here.
Ah, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, I popped the last in the heart to knock it out.
Got it. So this is my deer.
This is your deer.
So you missed, because there would have been a 5th shot if you would have shot it from your stand. And obviously she made her way all the way towards you.
It probably got spooked when you shot, and it came back this way. It was already bleeding from when
Right.
David shot it. It dropped here, and that's when you finished it off. Because there was no shot that you even had through there. It probably just got scared when you shot,
Probably.
and it turned back the other way. But there's 2 shots in the heart. That's your deer, Dave.
You want to take a picture with your phone?
Yeah.
All right.
We figured this out. All right. Going out. Bye.
We gave it the benefit of the doubt.
The DNR ripped that thing apart, huh? Oh. Here we are. We're going to do some pictures.
Let's go in front of each other.
Sheesh.
Gee whiz.
That's a big doe.
They're the both of them actually were pretty big does.
Yeah. DNR took some samples from their necks, so it kind of messed up.
2 out of 3 did.
That's because that one's a fawn. Oh no. Oh yeah, fawn.
Muffin. Nice harvest.
We'll take it, right?
Yeah. Dave got 2 of them. Had a boy.
Yeah.
Hey, we're
We'll
in
take it.
Of course, the shadows.
Just got done with the bivouac. Getting ready to go up there.
Take a picture with these 2. Let me take it. Cool. We take one with yours? One more.
I shot a doe this morning. Walked up to it. It was about a 30-yard shot. And sure as shit, it was a spike. Stever's laughing at me.
Still looks really funny. He has some 2 horns coming out of it.
Hey Danny, come over and take a picture next week. Take a picture of Danny and I, would you?
But the spike was actually messed up, so we had to put it out of his misery.
Mike said, I knew it was messed up, that's why I shot it.
That's right. It had looked like an arrow shot through its spine.
So I wonder why they only cut, it got into the...
You guys want to come in for a quick picture? Or?
Sure.
Yeah, everybody can.
Why not? May as well.
All right. We'll see you later.